Hi, this is Sally. With the growing market demand for front maintenance outdoor LED display, today I'll show you how to perform front maintenance on our ES960 cabinet. We need to divide front maintenance into two parts. One part is the LED module and the second part is the power box. A front service screwdriver and a magnetic front service tool are required. The exact front service screwdriver may vary slightly by pixel pinch. Each module has 4 lock holes, one on each side. Insert the screwdriver into each lock hole and rotate 90 degrees to the right to unlock. Pull the module outward with magnetic front service tool to remove it. Each module is connected with a safety rope. Unlock the rope, then repeat the same steps to remove the other modules. After removing 6 modules from the front, you will see the power box in the middle. Use an electric screwdriver to remove the 8 screws that fix the power box. Hold the power box, release the lock and gently remove it. Now open the power box. You will see 2 power supplies, 1 receiving card and 1 hub board inside. Okay, that's the whole process for front maintenance. It is safe, fast, and convenient. We hope this helps you better understand our ES960 cabinet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message. Thanks for watching.